Dear students, now we are going to discuss about work, right? So when a force acts on an object, the object moves. We say that the force has done work on the object, right? The work done by a force acting on an object is equal to the product of the force and the displacement of the object in the direction of force, right? So work done equal to force into displacement, W equal to F into D. Suppose displacement in the direction opposite to the force, then work done equal to minus force into displacement, then W equal to minus F into D, right? When displacement is perpendicular to the force, then work done is 0. Work done equal to 0. Displacement at an angle to the force, then W equal to force into displacement cos theta, W equal to FD cos theta, right? The general equation for work done is work equal to force into component of the displacement along the force, or work equal to displacement into component of the force along the displacement, right? When a force acts on an object, the object moves. We say that force has done work on the object, right? Now the work is done. W equal to force into displacement, W equal to F into D. Here W is work, F is force, D is a displacement. Now we are going to discuss some problems on work. The work equal to force into displacement, W equal to F into D, or W equal to F into S. Here D is displacement, S is also displacement, W equal to F into S or W equal to F into D. So the MKS unit of force is Newton, into unit of displacement in MKS system is meter. So then work unit is Joule. So Joule equal to Newton meter. Newton meter is nothing but Joule. So this is in SI system. Now the unit of work in CGS system. So in CGS system, unit of force is dyne. Displacement unit centimeter. So dyne centimeter is nothing but erg. So unit of work in CGS system is erg. Erg equal to dyne centimeter. So the dyne centimeter is nothing but erg. See here, a boy pushes a book by applying a force of 5 newtons. Find the work done by this force in displacing the book through 20 centimeters along the direction of the push. Now we want to find the work. Work equal to F into D or S. Here force is given, that is 5 newtons. 5 newtons into displacement is given, that is 20 centimeters. Here the force unit is given in SI system, that is Newton. Here it is given in CGS unit. Now it is changed into MKS unit. Now 5 newtons into 20 by 100. So this is it is in meters. Now 0 0 get cancelled. Now 5 Newton into 2 by 10, that is 0.2 meters. So 5 into 0.2, that is 1 Newton meter. So the work W is 1 Newton meter. Newton meter is nothing but joule. So here the work done is 1 joule. 1 joule of work is done. So one more problem. A ball of mass 1 kg thrown upwards reaches a maximum height of 5 meters. Calculate the work done by the force of gravity during this vertical displacement. Here mass of the object is given, mass of the object, that is 1 kg. You know the acceleration due to gravity g value, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Now first we can find the force. So the force F equal to mg, this is 1 kg into 9.8 meter per second square, that is 9.8 kg meter per second square. So kg meter per second square is nothing but Newton. Now the force is 9.8 newtons. Here the force and displacement both are in opposite direction. It means the ball is thrown up like this. The gravitational force is opposite to the direction of displacement of the object. So because now the work W equal to minus F into D. Here a displacement is given, so that height is nothing but displacement. So D is 5 meters. Now the formula W equal to minus F into D. So that is minus F 9.8 newtons into D 5 meters. Right? So 9.8 into 5, that is here minus 49. You know Newton meter is nothing but joule. So the work done minus 49 joules. It means we can say that the work of 49 joules has been done against the force of gravity. Next problem. A person pulls a block on a horizontal surface by applying a force of 5 newtons at an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. Find the work done by this force in displacing the block through 2 meters. So in this problem, here force is given 5 newtons, angle theta is given, that is 30 degrees, displacement is 2 meters. You know, if displacement of object makes an angle theta with the force F acting on it, work done by the force, you know, that is W equal to F D cos theta. Here force is given, force F is 5 newtons, theta angle is given, that is 30 degrees. Next D displacement is given, so that is 2 meters. Now these are substituted in this formula. See here, F 5 newtons into displacement 2 meters into cos theta is 30 degrees. So that is 5 newton into 2 meter into cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 degrees, so this value is root 3 by 2. Now 2 get cancelled, then we get 5 root 3 Newton meter. Now the work done W equal to 5 root 3. So Newton meter is nothing but joule. So 5 root 3 joules. So this is the work done. 5 root 3 joules.